Hello, I'm Sara Kuhlen, Samaritan Healthcare and Hospice music therapist. Normally I'm out in the field, meaning that I go visit some of our patients where they're living, whether that's their own home or they're in a nursing home or an assisted living facility. But now you're in my home, so welcome. We decided that we would make a series of videos sharing some music experiences with you because sometimes it's not possible to have a visit in person, or you might not be able to get out of the house to connect with your own forms of music engagement that you're used to, whether that's a choir or church or going out to a concert or something like that. So each of the videos will have different songs in it, and some will be hymns, others might be jazz standards from the 30s and 40s. We'll have some great sing-along favorites from the early 20th century. So it'll be a variety of videos with different styles of music in them, so hopefully there's something for everyone. Now, one of the main goals that I address as a music therapist with Samaritan is quality of life. And what that means is we're looking at how can we make the time that our patients have remaining to them as meaningful and engaging as possible. Sometimes I work directly with the patients, other times I work more with their caregivers. But either way, it's really about creating an experience of joy and connection. It can be hard sometimes, when you have medical professionals coming in and they want to know about the symptoms and how maybe progress is getting worse or something like that. And I feel so humbled and so honored to be able to come into your homes and provide a moment of beauty. Really, it's an aesthetic experience. It's all about being human. And what is it to be human? It's to be engaged in the arts and to have beauty and joy in our lives. So it's so meaningful to me that I get to do that as my job, to provide that for you. So these videos that I'm going to be doing will have me singing for you, and it will also have lyrics to the songs as well, so that you can sing along. Now, the music is going to be hopefully uplifting and relaxing for you as it is, but if you can physically, I encourage you to sing along with the videos. And the reason for that is that there have been research studies into the benefits of singing. One of the benefits that has been found through research is that singing can help release endorphins in your body. And one of the things that endorphins do is help mitigate our pain. So imagine that you're having a really painful day and you have your medication from Samaritan, your nurse is all on board with a plan for you, but maybe there's just that little bit of edge still there. If you sing, you can actually activate your body's own pain management receptors, which is amazing. Another benefit to music is that it increases oxytocin, which is known as the feel-good hormone. So think about when a baby's born and mother looks in baby's eyes for the first time, and there's just this rush of emotions and hormones that help mother and baby bond together. That's oxytocin. So singing increases oxytocin in your body as well. And then research that was done into group singing experiences like choirs and things like that found that there's also a benefit of decreasing depression and increasing feelings of connection among others. So if you have family or caregivers in your home or nearby, invite them on in to sing with you so that you can get that benefit of the community as well and feeling really connected and a sense of doing something joyful together. Another benefit to singing is that when we sing, we have to take in a deep breath to get all the way through that phrase. Otherwise, we might be stopping to breathe in the middle of a word, in the middle of a phrase, which can be kind of cumbersome, right? So it almost forces us to get into a pattern of deeper breathing than what we're used to. There is a nerve coming from our brain, and it branches all the way down our abdomen, and it's called the vagus nerve. And the vagus nerve interacts with our sympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the fight or flight response, so that stress response, right? So when we engage ourselves in deep breathing, it actually tones the vagus nerve and helps the vagus nerve bring our body back into a system of balance so that we're no longer in that fight or flight or freeze kind of scenario. It reminds us to relax. So there are so many benefits to singing along. And if you say, that your voice doesn't sound good or you're tone deaf or everyone has always told you that you can't sing, let me tell you, this is all about doing what's best for you and bringing some joy into your life and a means of expression, and don't worry what anybody else has to say. Sometimes when I sing, my dog actually howls along with me. I like to think that I'm a pretty decent singer, so if your dog starts howling along or the neighborhood is like going off, don't worry about it. It's just them trying to join in the fun too. All right, well, I hope you enjoy the videos. I'll be posting them here and there, and if there's anything in particular that you'd like, any style of music that you really like that you'd like me to try to tackle, please leave a comment below and we'll do our best. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.